Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. Almost Friday. And almost Amazon Prime week. Or the last 2 days. Epicness. Epic deals. The 15th and the 16th. You guys can get one of these at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Let's see where this is coming from today. Not sure what this is. So definitely take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. Some give it 1 day at a time, really fast, shipped to you. And now we have here mermaker, I do believe. Something 60 inches diameter. Oh boy. It's like a t-shirt almost, like a, I don't want to cut it, hoodie maybe, who knows. But here we go. What is this? What is this? Alright, alright. Yeah. What is that? Smiley face? Alright. Now this should be interesting. Let's see. Oh. Air sealed. Alright. Feels really soft though. Whoa. What the heck is this? Oh, we got a Burrito. You got for your Taco Tuesdays. Oh, this is like really soft. Holy smokes. Guess if you guys want to be a burrito, well, this would be great for anybody that works at like Taco Bell, Del Taco, if you guys have them, or if you guys are just a fan of the burrito. Look at that. It's a burrito. A burrito blanket. So definitely check it out. Get one for yourselves. I think they got other kinds also. This comes from mermaker. Really cool. Nice. Yeah, definitely check this out though. Look at that. It's a burrito. Now you guys can actually wrap yourself like a burrito. Wow. Alright, YouTubers, so if you guys want to get one at a low cost as a gift for somebody, like a family member that might work at Taco Bell, maybe give your favorite Taco Bell one of these and just give them a thank you. So really cool. Check it out. Burrito blanket. Oh boy. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. See ya.